What is API? And what is the use of jar file and how to create our own jar file. These are the basics that I have discussed. Yes or no? Na? Tell me, what is an API, boss? Application Programming Interface. It is the base for the programmer to develop any language-based, technology-based framework application. In Java, how API comes, guys? In Java, API comes in the form of what? Packages having classes, interfaces, enums, and what? Annotations. Classes, interfaces, and enums, and what? Annotations. Okay, now tell me, what are the example Java APIs, guys? Yes, we have a JDBC API, Reflection API, IO Streams API, a lot of APIs are there. Now tell me, boss, how these APIs will be given to the market? In the form of jar files. Remembered? In the form of what? Jar file. Tell me, how many types of APIs are there? 3 types of APIs are there. Predefined APIs. They will come along with what? Language or framework or technology installation. User defined APIs created by programmers, you and me. Third party APIs not given by vendors of vendor companies who are creating language framework technology, not developed by programmers. Some other companies, XYZ companies have created them. That's why they are called as what? Third party APIs. Understanding my statement? Okay. Now, in our application development, first of all, we'll try to work with all predefined APIs given by that particular language or technology or framework. If they are not sufficient, we try to create our own APIs. That means our own classes. If they are also not sufficient, we go to internet, we search for third-party APIs. Remembered all this stuff, guys? Then we started talking about what file? Jar file. Why? APIs comes in the form of jar file. APIs are also called as what? Libraries. These APIs are also called as what? Libraries. Everyone remember that? So in Java, everything in the form of jar file only, guys. Predefined or user-defined third-party APIs will be given in the form of jar files. Represent JDBC drivers. Okay, it represents Java applications or projects that are ready for release. It represents Java-based websites, guys, but not exactly jar file. It's a var file. A flavor of jar file is called as what? Var file. Represents EJB components. Are you listening my statement, guys? Can be used to zip multiple files and folders into single file. So like for zipping purpose also this can be used, boss. It can be used even for zip operations. Is that clear, guys? Okay, now tell me, to create and work with a jar file, to create our own jar file, do I need to arrange separate tool or in the Java installation itself we are having built-in tool called Jara? In the Java installation itself we are having built-in tool called jar file. Agree with me? So then we discussed how to create jar file, how to see the content of jar file. Come on. How to add new file to jar file, how to extract specific file from jar file, XVF, how to extract all the files from jar file also we discussed. Understanding my point there? How to extract all the things from jar file. So shall we get into the today's discussion, boss? I hope you are practicing parallelly. Yeah, practice. Every day you need to practice, boss. There's no alternate for it. Yeah, our today's discussion is what is the difference between path and what is the difference between path and class path? path and class path. While working with command prompt commands, guys, you should give proper spaces. Wherever space is required, you have to give that. Moreover, your Java home slash bin directory must be there in the class path. In order to work with any commands of bin directory of JDK folder, you must add Java home slash, that means JDK installation folder slash bin directory to the class path. That is mandatory. That is compulsory, boss. So let's have a look, guys. Path. Yeah, some funny answer, guys. Sir, what is the difference between path and class path? Class is the difference. If you give this answer, interviewer will run after you. Interviewer will run after you. Yes, yesterday I have given 1-2 questions. At the end, I will speak. Whenever I got a free time, little free time, I will give answer for those questions. So shall we get into this? Until I am giving answer, you can try for answer and you can send for it. You can send to me. You can send to me. You can try continuously until I give answer. Not here. I want you people to send to my email ID. Path, guys. It is a DOS, disk operating system or Windows command, and can be used in any technology, framework or language. Can be used in any technology or framework or language. As on today, you remember, language means raw materials, technology means semi-finished products, framework means fully finished products. You just remember like this. That's it. Okay, boss. Next one, boss. In order to make exe files or BAT files or CMD file, command files of certain folder executing from any location, executing from certain folder, executing from any location of the computer, any location of the computer, any location of the computer, we need to add. What, guys? We need to add. Tell me what we need to add, guys. Their address location. We need to add their address location to path environment variable. Definitely we need to add their address location to what? Path environment variable. That is a basic need, boss. So exe files are executable files. They are there in XYZ folder. We can go to XYZ folder, we can execute it. No, sir, I should be in a position to execute them from any location of the computer. Then you add its location to path environment variable. Now onwards, you can start executing that exe file, executable file from any location of the computer. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. All right. So let's see, guys. So this is my path part, guys. Okay, now listen. I'll explain the need of path environment variable. by taking one problem and solution. Everyone focus. Anywhere you can create this file, guys. Workspaces, ADV Java, under advanced Java, NTAJ 415. NTAJ 415. Under this basics, I'm taking one small folder called path demo. Path demo. Any name you can take. Under this, we are having run.batch file. What is batch file, sir? Run.batch file. Batch file is there to combine related commands into single command, guys. Are batch. What do you mean by core Java batch, advanced Java batch? All people who are looking for core Java course will be kept in what? Single group and will be delivered core Java for one time. Okay, and it will be received by all the people. Understanding my statement? So in DOS operating system or Windows operating system, guys, if you want to combine multiple commands into single command, we can take the support of batch file, guys. For example, run.batch. So there I am keeping date command, time command, version command, DAR command. No, I don't want to execute these commands 4 times by remembering their order, guys. I just want to group them into single unit in a file called batch file. So now run.batch itself becomes one new command, guys. Run.batch itself, it becomes one new command. Any file name you can take, but recommended extension is .bat. BAT indicates batch. BAT indicates batch. Okay, now you observe. Okay, now you observe. So instead of running 4 commands separately, guys, you execute run.batch once. You execute run.batch once. Automatically output will come. What do you say? Ecolon says workspaces advanced Java / NTAJ 415 basics path demo run.batch. Yes, success. Executes all the 4 commands in sequence. Executes all the 4 commands in sequence. Hey, if you want, you can say only run also. Giving extension is optional, boss. While executing command files, .cmd files, .exe files, .bat files, giving extension is optional. You can just write the file name also, boss. It's possible. See, I'm going to its original location where it is created. I'm running the file. I'm running the batch file. I'm running the new command called run, which is internally executing 4 commands. I'm really happy, boss. But I'm going to some other location. /. Here I am saying run. You will get error. You will get error. What kind of error? Bad command or file name. Bad command or file name. Next. Run is not a internal or external command or operable program. Because in this location E drive, is there any run, boss? Not there. So you will get the error. So now I will go to one more folder, workspaces. Now I will go to one more folder, workspaces. So there also I will try to say same thing. Same error will come. So we will go to E drive, C drive. We will go to C drive. There also error will come. That means only from its original location we are able to get the successful execution, remaining all the things. Come on. Okay, remaining executions. What is this? Remaining execution are giving error. If I try to execute from remaining places, we are giving error. Understanding my statement, boss? Okay, I'm trying to explain this one, this one. See, not only these DAS commands we can combine, boss. We can even combine Java related executions also. One command is Java space file, Java C space file name. Another command is Java space class name. Come on. Instead of writing two commands separately, you will just execute batch file. So both activities will happen in a single one or not. You can command any two commands into or any multiple commands into single command with the support of batch file. So batch file is given to group set of commands into single command, boss. Okay. Batch file is useful to combine set of commands into set of commands into single command. Single command. Okay, you want one more example? I will give, not a problem. Run one dot batch. Run one dot batch. What I say? CD some drive, E drive. CD E drive. Fine, boss. CD E drive. Okay, some folder is there. Let us assume workspaces. ABC folder. Okay, fine, boss. CD that one. E colon. Now we are getting into E drive. There, Java C test app dot Java. Java test app. See, instead of writing four commands like this, now if you say run one, all these four commands will execute together or not? Say something, my dear. See, every time in order to compile and execute, I have to do these four operations. CD means to get into that folder. E colon means to get into E drive. Just E colon is enough, right? And we have to say Java C file name dot Java to compile the Java file. And this is to execute the one. So instead of writing these four commands every time, okay, it's better to write only for one time into batch file. Now we can execute through batch file or not. Come on, come on. If you are a lazy fellow, you can do like this also. So this is another example of batch file. Okay, guys. Another example of batch file. So, but what is the problem? Current problem is what, guys? What is the current problem? The current problem is we are able to run this batch file from its original location. CD means change directory. CD means change directory. E colon means get into that drive. Java C means compilation. Java means execution. I'm assuming in ABC folder this testapp.java file is there. Testapp.java file is there. Let us assume the file folder structure is like this. E colon slash workspaces slash, here we are having ABC folder, boss. Okay, yes. Yes, testapp.java, like this code is there. So this is class with main method. Class with main method. class with main method. Now listen, instead of writing these four things, come on, instead of writing these four things, you have to write only one command. What is that one command, guys? Ecolon slash workspaces slash abc run one dot batch or run one, anything you can say, because right now I have taken run one dot batch. Okay, now it is combining set of related commands into single command or not. Instead of running four commands on the command prompt, we can just run only one command or not. What do you say, guys? Come on. Right, now listen. So I'll show both examples, not a big issue. So first let me show first one. Sir, I must write E drive, otherwise control will not get into E drive. Suppose when you open command prompt, it is pointing to C drive. If you say this, it will get into that folder, but it won't appear on the command prompt until you say E colon. Until you say U colon. You want to see, you will see that. Okay. Now listen, I'll show practically this. Yeah. Let me open the command prompt, my dears. Workspaces boss, workspaces boss, advanced Java boss. Next one, workspaces boss, advanced Java boss, 415. Yes, boss. Here I am taking one folder. What is the folder? Path demo. Path demo. Yeah. Here I am going to create one file, batch file. It's a text file only. Extension will be .bat, boss. File save as. Default extension. Listen. Default extension txt will come. No, I want to suppress default extension. I want to get a .bat extension. Then what should I do? I have to keep file name and extension within double quotes. Then default extension txt will be suppressed. Are you seeing it, guys? Default extension txt will be suppressed, guys. Once you got run.batch file, just delete this. So here is my edit, boss. Tell me here date, time, version, dir. File save. Go to what? This folder. Run. Date is coming. Time is coming. See, one by one commands are executing. Time is coming. Version is coming. Windows version. dir. That current folder content also coming. Okay, boss. Run.batch. Yes. From its original location, super, boss. Hey, not compulsory file name should be run. You can have any other file name. But recommended extension is .bat. cd ... I'm going to its parent folder. I'm getting error. Run is not recognized as an internal external command or operable program or batch file. From its original location, I am able to execute. From other location, I am not able to execute. Go to G drive. Go to G drive, guys. G drive, guys. Say run. Say run. No, it's not recognizing. C drive. Say run. It is not recognizing. E drive, guys. Say run. It is not recognizing. It is recognizing only from its original location or not. No, I want to provide global visibility for that batch file. I should be in a position to execute from any location. Not only for batch file, sometimes for exe file, sometimes for what? CMD file. CMD file also some kind of batch file. I want to provide global visibility. Then we have to think about going for what? Path environment variable. What is that? Path environment. Okay, now let me show second one also, boss. Second batch file story also. Second batch file story also. So now I am taking one more folder here. Path demo one. Any location, no problem. Path demo one. Here I will take one small path demo one. Terla Shivkumar, default extension TXT will come. At the time of presentation, please focus. File save as. File save as testapp.java. Testapp.java. Nice, boss. Here I am opening this. Public class test app. Public static void main. String args array. Next, system.out.println. Welcome to Java. Something, boss. Welcome to Java. Now, compilation and execution. Compilation and execution. Suppose you are there in C drive, guys. Okay. I captured this one. I'll tell the importance of writing ecolon. Okay, guys. Now let us assume this command prompt I have not opened. Somehow I have opened CMD as administrator. Okay, by default, where it goes, guys? By default, it goes to C drive, right? By default, it will go to which location? C drive location. Everyone tell, everyone please focus. Layout. Bold font. Colors. Achha, screen text red. Background this. Okay. By default, it has gone to which drive, guys? C drive. See, I said change directory paste. Change directory paste. Let me copy this. Yes, G drive. Now observe, though I said CD this one, it is still showing C drive. Did you notice this? Though I said C drive this one, it is still showing what? G drive. Did you notice that, boss? Okay, then what should I do to get into that drive? G colon. G colon. When you say G colon, then it will go for. Within the same drive, it will go automatically. But without moving to drive, if you try to move to a folder of the drive, it won't allow, boss. It will really will not allow. Okay. Now, fine. Just paste java c testapp.java. Compile. Java testapp. Welcome to Java. Total how many steps are there, guys? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Total 4 commands are there. But are you ready? Are you ready every time to write these 4 steps, guys? No. I want to write only one command. Then it's better to combine them into. It's better to combine. It's whenever I may do modifications also in future. So it's better to prepare one batch file or not, guys. Yes. So what is the batch file I'm looking to take, boss? File save as run1.batch. File save as run1.batch. Yes. Edit, boss. Edit. Now first, what is this? You have to get into this folder, because I don't know from where I will try to run this profile. So from different locations I may run in future. So first you have to get into this folder, cd this, then g colon, then what? Java C test app.java, then what? Java test app, file save, file save, go to command prompt. So now we are there in the current folder, no problem, not a issue. Now you see run. See guys, compilation is, change of folder is happening, G drive is happening, compilation is happening, execution is happening. I'll show the beauty now. I'll try to open this dot modification. I need not to do everything manually, guys. Again say run one. So now modification is reflecting or not. Again I'll try to modify, boss. 1111. So I need not to compile and execute separately. Again you say run one. So again modification is reflecting or not. I hope you are seeing the power of path, guys. Some kind of automation we are doing it or not. So at least now you agree this batch file is there to combine set of related commands into single unit, boss. As it sounds. Okay. Are you observing this benefit, boss? Super or not? Right. But what is the problem, guys? What is the problem? Problem is we should use that file by going to its original location. Are you able to feel it or not? What is the problem? We must execute batch file or CMD file or exe file by going to its original location. Original location. That means we cannot execute them from any location of the computer. From any location of the computer. Any location of the computer. Yes, boss. So now this is the problem. Shall we understand the solution for this problem, guys? Solution 1. Solution 1. Listen, this is a bad solution. Why, sir? Copy batch file or CMD file or exe file to other locations of the computer where we want to execute. Okay, where we want to execute. This is solution 1. Okay, now tell me, it's a bad solution or good solution? It is a bad solution. Why, sir? It's a bad solution or good solution? I want reply, boss. It is a bad solution. It is a bad solution. Because the copy process will waste the memory. Will waste the memory of the computer. Will waste the memory of the computer. Suppose I have a exe file of 1 GB, boss. I want to execute from 30 different locations. And I copied to 30 different folders. Now tell me, guys, 30 GB memory wasted or not? 30 GB memory got wasted or not? And this copy process also takes time. Do you think copy process takes less time? Copy process also takes time. 1 GB data copy means it's very, very bad, boss. So that's why I never recommend this one as a solution. Bad. Solution 2. Solution 2. This is the good solution. Ultimate solution, boss. Okay. Now tell me, guys. Add the location of. Add the location of locations if they are there in different folders. Batch files or CMD files or exe files. Exe files to path environment variable. Path environment variable. Environment variable. And you can execute .bat file or .cmd file or .exe file from any location of the computer. Come on, guys, from any location of the computer. Right. Now, can I give the procedure, guys? Let me give the procedure. First, I'll show practical, then I'll give the procedure. What is the location of my first one? 415 path demo. This is the location. Don't type, because if you type, you may do typing mistakes. Right click, guys, properties. Right click, properties. I opened wrong one. Yes. Right click, properties. What happened? Advanced system settings, where we can see, guys, this side it is there. Okay. Advanced system settings, guys. Advanced system settings. Now listen. Environment variables. See, boss, we have a user variables, we have a system variables. But don't depend upon user variables, guys. They are specific to currently logged in Windows user. But depend upon system variables. These are visible to all the users. Okay, guys. All the Windows users of a computer. All the users. Okay, there. Create a new environment. If it is already there, fine. If it is not already there, create a new one. Somehow already there, guys. Okay, let it be. So if it is already there, edit. Add your location. Okay, I'm wantedly deleting it, guys. Later we'll create it. Environment variable path. Value paste. Semicolon dot. What is this? Environment variable path. It can be written in lowercase, uppercase, mixed case, guys. Okay. See this value, our path demo, semicolon dot. Yeah, dot indicates current directory. Array, don't just verify in this folder, also verify in the current directory. Always remember this. Okay. 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 So now I have added, boss. Once it is added, observe the story. Open the new command prompt. It won't reflect in the old command prompts, guys. You must open the new command prompt, no doubt in that. You take any command prompt of any location. So CMD, guys, right click, run as administrator. Okay. Go to this. We are in which drive? Everyone tell me which drive? C drive. Now you say run. Date, time, DA are also working, boss. C drive, so many folders are there, so many files are there. it takes time to come out of it. C drive now, so many things. Control C to stop. System 32 is having so many things. Go to E drive, guys. Say run. Date, time, DAR. Come to G drive. Come to G drive. Again run. I am now able to execute from any location of the computer now, boss. So problem is solved or not. Okay, you want to get into specific folder, workspaces. Workspaces. Again say run. Run. Date, time is coming. So that means we are able to execute from any location of the computer or not. Are you feeling it, boss? Yes. Right. What is the procedure, boss? This PC, in old terminology, my computer. See, that's what I do. Problem solution. Problem solution. Understanding my statement? Okay. I'll do like that only. I'll explain the problem, then you can feel the importance of solution. So, I know you might have studied path, class path in your core Java, but I am trying to present in the angle I want to give to you people. Fine. So because I'm going to use class path almost every day in your classes, boss. That's why. This PC slash my computer. Okay. Properties. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Come on. Advanced system settings. Next, environment variable. Environment variables. Okay. System variables. Fine. System variables. Array, in already added path, our location is not there. Java related locations are there. Already path environment variable is there, but in that one our batch file location is there na. Sidechain, they use some brain. In already available path environment variable, path is important. Value added to path is important. My dears, come on guys. Okay, boss. System variables. System variables are new. System variables new. What is this? Variable name path. Value. We should write the location of this one. What is the value? This is the value. Copy this, guys. Say paste. Right. Semicolon dot. Semicolon is the separator between two values. First value, comma, second value. Like here, semicolon is the separator between two values, boss. Understanding my point there? Right. If I don't include dot, what happens? It may verify everywhere, but it may forget to verify in the current folder. So that's why dot is recommended to place, guys. You should not forget to verify in the current folder after verifying every folder. Understanding my point? Come on. Right. So, okay. In which order they are there, in the same order it will be there. First priority to in which order values are there, in the same order they will be used. First it will verify in path demo folder. If not there, it will verify in the current directory. In current directory also not there, anyhow error will come. Definitely error will come. Is that clear, boss? See, instead of people thinking in a positive way, what is happening? If I don't put, what happens? If I don't do, what happens? Okay, it's all these are good questions, but first accept the positivity. Then think about what? Negativity. First think about positively, boss. Right, right. So, and more. So, some solutions you will get through practice. When you do practicals, you don't do, then you will get to know what happens. First, when you are listening class, try to be in a positive mode. I should do to get something. Okay, environment variable name path. Value is this. Semicolon is the separator between two values. Dot indicates current directory. Suppose I am running that command run in C drive. So C drive becomes current directory. Okay, I am running G drive workspaces folder. G drive workspaces folder becomes dot boss. So dot value is not fixed, guys. Where you are running, that will become value dynamically. I hope you are understanding. Now I will link with Java knowledge, boss. I will link with Java knowledge. Now listen. Java, Java C, jar, Java P, and etc. are the Java tools. Are the etc. are the Java tools given as exe files. Exe files in Java home/bin directory. Java home/bin directory. Are you understanding my point there? So, to make these tools nothing but exe files, executable from any location of the computer. Executable from any location of computer. We need to add. Come on, Java home slash what directory, guys? Bin directory to path environment variable. Path environment variable. And you don't believe, before compiling and executing your first core Java program, you will be adding Java related installation folder / bin directory to path environment variable, boss. Why? Array, all these are basically tools given as exe files. But I don't want to execute those tools only by going to bin directory. I should be in a position to execute them from any location of the computer. From any location of the computer. Are you listening? So that's the reason we are adding Java home/bin directory to path environment variable. You want to feel it? Okay, now let me make you people to feel it. Right now, you observe, everyone, please observe. Please observe in path environment variable, guys. Whatever path environment variable is there any Java related bin directory, guys? Is there any Java related bin directory? Not there. Not there. Okay. Now let me prove that. Let me prove that all Java tools are exe files. All Java tools are exe files. Program files, guys. Java, guys. JDK, guys. Bin, guys. All these are exe files. You are not believing all these are exe files? Go to search box, star.exe. When I say star.exe, our Java tools are coming or not coming? See this? Java P is coming, jar is coming, Java is coming, Java C is coming. That means definitely all these are exe files or not, boss? Come on. Definitely all these are exe files or not? No doubt in that all these are exe files. You want to feel one more time? 1 minute. So where is Java C? Right click, properties of the file, go to this place. Okay, type. What is the type it is showing? .exe. .exe. Now you observe Go to open the command prompt pointing to bin directory. You say Java C. You will get the help. That means it is recognized because I am trying to execute from its original location. I am trying to execute from its original location. Java. Again, you are going to get the help because you are trying to execute from its what? Original location. Now you go to its parent folder, guys. You say Java. You will get error. It is not internal or external command, operable program or batch file. We are getting error. Come on, guys. Go to C drive. Go to C drive. Java C, error. Go to E drive. Java C, error. Go to what? G drive. Java C, error. But tell me, guys, we will save our .java files and we try to compile and execute those files only from bin directory or from any location of the computer. Any location of the computer. So what should I do, guys? Tell me, what should I do for that? So I need to add that location of the bin directory location to path environment variable or not? Path environment variable or not? I think my theory and practicals are matching or not. At least now you realized why your core Java faculty said before developing and compiling and executing first application, why he asked to work with path environment variable. At least you got the idea, boss. At least you got the idea now. Able to link that one or most popular interview question, boss. What is the difference between path and class path? Right. Now what should I do? I want to sort out this problem. I want to sort out this problem. Tell me what should I do, guys? This PC C drive, this PC C drive, program files, Java, any version, bin directory, whatever version you want to activate, you can take it. So bin directory, I copied the location. I simply copied the location. Yes, Control C, nothing else. Copied the location, guys. Right click, properties. Yes, guys. Please complete your formalities, guys. Registration formalities. Very soon we are going to change the link. And once link is changed, password is given, and unique ID is generated for each student. They will be shared with only those students, okay, who have completed formalities. If you have already done this, just ignore it. You will get all the details. Very soon you will get all the details. If you have not done that, okay, please try to complete the formalities. Fine. Okay, now you observe advanced system settings, boss. Environment variables, boss. Here is my path, boss. Here is my path, boss. So one more value, new. Say paste. Here, see, boss. If you got this kind of look, guys, semicolons will be kept automatically. You need not to keep the semicolon separately. First value, second value, third value. Among them, semicolons will be kept automatically. You need not to put first, second, third. If you want to mismatch the order, if you want to change the order, you can change it. First value, second value, third value. Any problem? No problem at all. Save OK. Save OK. Save OK. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Java home is nothing but where Java is installed. That is the meaning of Java home. Compulsory Java home. Otherwise, how the location of exe files comes. But newly added values, okay, newly added values will not be reflecting on the old command prompt. You must take a new command prompt. Come on. CMD here, guys. Uh, Here is my Java C. See, I'm in the C drive. It is recognized or not? Okay, Java C. Recognized or not? E drive. Java C. Recognized or not? G drive. Java C. Recognized or not? Earlier we got error. Bad command or file name, boss. But now are we getting that problem, guys? Now, are we getting that problem, guys? Not at all. We are not getting that problem at all. What do you say, boss? At least now you understood why we are adding. Why we are adding. Only for one time. Because if you go for my computer properties and path environment variable, it will be there. It will be there permanently, boss. Until you format the computer, it will be there. You restart the computer also, it will not go off. You open close command prompt any number of times, it will not go off. That's a permanent one. That's very, very permanent one. I think you understood this point, guys. Shall I write this point? Okay, what should I do? So this is the reason why we are adding. Yes. This PC properties understanding. Okay, guys. Advanced system settings. Okay, advanced system settings. Tell me, environment variables, system properties, variable name, path, value is equal to, we can add the things, not a problem. We can copy, paste and add the things. Personalize, advanced system settings, environment variable, path boss. So like this, we have multiple values now, boss. Okay. Copy this. That's the one thing. Value. First value, semicolon. Second value, semicolon. Semicolon dot and fine. I think you thoroughly understood my point, guys. Come on. I think everyone clear on this path environment variable. Is it Java command, guys? Is it Java command? Is it Java command? Not. Path is not a Java command. So it can be used. Okay, it can be used in both Java and non-Java environment. Fine. Java and non-Java environment. Yes. Right. I think you got thorough knowledge on this, boss. Right. So now let's move to class path, boss. class path. Let's move to class path. It's purely, it is purely Java command and can be used only in Java environment. Can be used only in Java environment. That's it. If you try to use outside, it becomes useless, boss. Purely useless. And you should not write space between class and path. Single word. Class path is a single word. Okay? Right. Next, guys. If our Java application uses, user-defined APIs or third-party APIs, Array, APIs are nothing but libraries, na boss. User-defined APIs are third-party APIs. APIs are libraries. Okay, libraries. Then we need to add those APIs related directory locations or jar files to class path environment variable in order to make Java tools, like Java, C, Java, and etc. recognizing and using user-defined third-party APIs. User-defined third-party APIs oblique libraries. I hope you thoroughly understood my point, guys. Come on. Variables. In order to make Java tools like Java, C, Java, and etc. Recognizing and using user-defined third-party APIs or libraries. Shall we get into the discussions, boss? Yes, again, here also I'll present problem and solution. Don't worry. But whenever, if your code is using other than JDK APIs, so some new APIs which are created by third party are created by programmer. So those APIs related either jar files or directories must and should be added to class path environment variable. Must and should be added to what environment variable? But class path. Then only Java C, Java P, this kind of tools recognizes and uses third party APIs. Now let us try to understand the problem, guys. Everyone please focus. If you understand the problem, you will understand the solution. Anyone knows Rajamouli, film director? Rajamouli film director was. Yes. What is his specialty? Okay, he's very great in presentation. But if you observe all his movies, guys, especially Telugu guys, okay, if you observe all his movies, before interval, he will highlight the villain like anything. Sometimes hero will not that much dominate up to first half. But in the second half, when hero starts, come on guys, when hero starts fighting with the villain, when start beating villain, hero will be elevated. You observe any of his movie, the basic fundamental theory is like this. First half villain show, second half hero show. If you look at Bahubali part 1 and part 2, guys, in part 1, hero role is very, very limited. Villain role is Very, very bigger one, right? But in part two, he has elevated hero like anything. He will show how cruel the villain is, how bad the villain is. So we will hate villain. So when heroes start beating the villain, killing the villain, fighting with villain, we will start appreciating the heroism. So that is his basic formula. You see any his movie, this is the basic formula. Right. So similarly, in my presentation also, I will give most importance to, I will be giving most importance to problem part, because I want you people to concentrate more on problem. If you understand problem first, automatically you will know the importance of the solution. Definitely you will appreciate the importance of the solution, no doubt in that. Right, boss? Right. Now let's go for problem, guys. So I have user defined API. Let us assume I have my own user defined API here. Whether I complete today API or library. User defined API or library. Yes, boss. Now tell me here. Here I am taking E drive or whatever it is. E drive or G drive. Workspaces. E drive or G drive. What there, guys? Workspaces. I think one small correction, guys. While explaining all the problems, I have taken everything as E drive. But in the solution, I think we pasted everything as G drive. Remember that? Remember that? Okay, 1 minute. Here also will make it G drive, then tension will not be there. G drive, guys. Yeah, that can be okay. Here G drive. Here G drive. Yeah, it can be E drive, not a problem. Fine. Yeah, small thing. Okay, let it be, guys. G drive workspaces, ADV Java, ADV Java. Someone is preparing you API and some other person wants to use API. NTAJ 415. Under NTAJ 415. Okay, I'm taking a folder called basics. Otherwise, let it be, guys. Advanced Java, NTAJ, this one. Here I am taking C path demo, class path demo. I'm taking one class, guys, which may says generator.java. What dot Java? Wish message generator.java. Okay, it is there in a package, boss. That is there in package. After compilation, com.nt.basics is my package name. If not that, any other package name you can take. Okay. Com for company and T for Naresh technology, basics for basics. Not compulsory. These three words only should be there. Any other words can be there. I think you know what is package, boss. Which may says generator dot class. Which may say generator class. So user defined API developed by programmer one. Developed by programmer one. Yes. Everyone please focus, guys. How I'm going to develop this? Vishme says generator.java. Vishme says generator.java. Tell me here. Public class Vishme says generator. Here I am having one business method, guys. Public string say hello. Public string say hello. String user. Then tell me here return good morning plus user. Good morning plus user. End of this. But I want to see this one in a package, guys. Okay. So package. How to create a package, boss? To import package, import statement is there. To create package, we have what? Package statement. Package com.nt.basics. com.nt.basics. So now I will come here to compile the code, boss. G drive slash workspaces slash, please switch off your video, adv java slash ntaj415 slash cpath demo slash java c. Array, when you want to see your dot class file in a package, what is the option I should use? Anyone remembered? If you want to see dot class file in a package, what is the option we should use during compilation? Hyphen small dia, capital dia. Hyphen small dia, capital dia. Don't say minus d, always say hyphen d. Okay, where you want to create those folders? In the current directory. So this folder com.nt.basic should be created where? In the current directory. And what is the file name, guys? Vishme says generator.java. Yeah, this hyphen d is extra, guys. Hyphen d is extra. To make Java C compiler to generate dot class file in the package, in the specified package, which is created in current directory. Are you getting my point? Yes. To make Java C compiler to generate dot class file in the, come on guys, in the specified package which will be created in the current directory. Are you understanding my statement, boss? So this will come after compilation, boss. Comes after compilation. This is the outcome of this, boss. This is the outcome of this. Yes, after compilation it will come. What's the meaning of this? Java C hyphen D. Hyphen D says don't create a dot class file in the current directory. First you create a package in the current directory. In that package you generate the dot class file. Please, this is very, very interesting, boss. First it says create a package. With what name? com.nt.basics. Where? In the current directory. See, com.nt.basics is created in the current directory. Right now, what is the current folder? cpath demo. In cpath demo, package is created or not? Package means folders, boss. Okay. In that one, dot class file has come. In that one, dot class file has come. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. So I'll give more clearly. Makes Java C compiler. Makes Java C compiler D for destination. D for destination. To create specified package. Specified package. com.nt.basics in the specified current directory and keeps the generated package generated dot class file. What is that, guys? Wish message generator dot class in that package. com.nt.basics. I hope you are understanding my statement. Now, programmer one has developed user-defined API like this, guys. So now I am having my main application, boss. Main application. Developed by programmer 2. Let us assume. Developed by programmer 2. Main application. But I'm intentionally taking this main application some other folder. /NIT folder, boss. So there I am taking main application.java. Some other folder in some other programmer. So now let's have a look, guys. Main application.java. Okay. Listen, guys. This main application fellow wants to use this class and this method. How? By creating object kind of thing. So let's have a look. So for that purpose, he decided to import the package com.nt.basics.wishMessage generator. Import com.nt.basics.wishMessage generator. Cool, guys. Tell me here. Public class main app. Next. Public static void main. String args array. I am creating object for wish message generator class. Wish message generator is equal to new wish message generator of. I created object for wish message generator class. That's cool, guys. System.out.println. What is this? Wish message is generator dot say hello. Yes. Say hello. Generator dot say hello. Say hello. Here is what? Raja. And I created object and I am calling the method, boss. I created object, I am calling the method. Are you understanding my statement, boss? End of the main method. End of the class. End of the main method, end of the class. So now I am coming to /NIT/Java C main app.java. You will get error. You will get errors. Why, sir? Tell me first of all, which message generator is there in the current directory NIT? No. Is it predefined class given by JDK? No. It is available where, guys? In this package. Where this package is available, guys? In the current directory NIT? No. In the JDK APIs? In the JDK packages? No. Then how does it knows? How does it knows? This com.nt.basics package is there in cpath demo folder of G drive. How does it knows? It is not a god not to read your brain. That's why compiler says I verified in the JDK packages, not there. Package basics is not there. I verified in the current directory, not there. Then how can I import the package? Without importing package, how can I import the class? When class and package are not imported, how can I create object? When object is not created, how can I call method? Worst fellow, that's why I'm giving the error. Like this, it will throw errors, not one error. So error saying what? I'm explaining the problem. Come on. Cannot find symbols. Cannot find symbols. com.nt.basics. Wish message generator. What is next? Say hello. Say hello. Like this, you will get error or not, boss? Why, sir? Solution I will talk later. Are you able to feel the problem? Are you able to feel the problem? Okay, you are compiling, boss. You are compiling. It will try to recognize com.nt.basics by verifying whether this package is there in what? Cannot find symbols. All these are the reasons for the errors. This is the error. Listen. First take the package. Is it predefined package in JDK? No. Whether this package is there in the current directory NIT? No. Error. So without package, class is visible or no? Error. Without class visibility, can we create object or no? Without object creation, can we invoke the method or no? That's why it is giving error or not. It's giving error or not. I hope you understood the point, guys. Basic point here. So shall I demonstrate the problem quickly, boss? Only problem. Solution we will discuss later. No doubt ClassPath solves the problem, but I want you people to feel the problem first. Are you ready to feel the problem? Yes, let us feel the problem first. I think you are enjoying the subject learning. Problem, solution, problem, solution. If you learn subject like this, you never forget the subject, boss. This is the model I'm using from so many years. 415. I'm taking one more folder, cpath demo. Okay, if possible, 1-2 days back I shared 1-2 success stories in the group. Come on, guys. I shared 1-2 success stories in the group. One person clearly stressed. Some people takes advanced Java light. Some people misguides you. Advanced Java not required. In my company, 7 projects are happening on Servlet JSP, which is nothing but advanced Java topics. I hope anyone studied that success story. He is from Orissa. After completion of engineering, he used to bring his brother kids from the school every day because he is jobless. Then he realized what he is doing. He came to Ameerpet, learned the courses. So now he is earning money and he made himself proud and he made all his family members proud. Please study success stories. That will motivate you if you are deviating from here and there. So automatically motivation comes when you see this kind of success stories, guys. Wish message generator. Vishme says generator.java. In the FB group, if you follow FB group every time, whenever I post, you will get it. Yes, boss. Tell me, guys. Vishme says generator dot Java. Package creation statement. Com dot nt dot basics. Array. Okay, basics. Public class. Vishme says generator. Public start. Vishme says generator. Yes, public string. Say hello. Say hello. Yes, public string. Say hello. Tell me. Return. Good morning plus user. Return good morning plus user. Yes, boss. CMD. Java C-D. What is this? Vishme says generator.java. It will compile, boss. Here I am not using any third-party API. It is happily compiled. So now I am ready with user-defined API. My user-defined API is having what, guys? My user-defined API is having, only for knowledge sake, one package with one class. Generally, package contains so many classes, guys. One package with one class. Only for knowledge sake, I am taking one package with one class. But in one API, so many packages, so many classes can be there. Okay, boss. Now tell me here, wish message generator.java. We are ready with what? This one. See, com.nt.basics. There only dot class file has come. Com is folder. Packages are nothing but folders, boss. That's good. So now I will go to E drive, boss. Here I will go to E drive. New text file. File save as. What is this? Main application dot Java. What application, guys? Main application dot Java. Yes. Right click, edit plus. Main application dot Java, guys. Tell me here. I want to use content of the package. So I have to import the package. com.nt.basics. Wish message generator. Typing mistake should not be there, guys. Now tell me. Public class main app. Right. There. Public static void main. String args. String args. Okay, boss. Now tell me here. Wish message generator. Generator is equal to wish message generator of. I hope you are understanding my point. Yes. Array, taking one folder in package name is not that much recommended. Your package name should be self-descriptive. That's why it is recommended to take minimum 3 words in the package name. Taking one word also fine, one letter also fine. Recommendation is 3 words. Look at any predefined package, one word is there, one letter is there. There also multiple letters are there or not. Java.lang, Java.util. Same theory here also. String result is equal to generator dot say hello. Raja. System dot out dot println. Okay. Result is plus result. Result is plus result. Save this. Go to command prompt, guys. CMD, guys. Yes. Java C. Main app dot Java. See, you will get compile time error, guys. Basic does not exist. Cannot find symbol wish message generator. Cannot find symbol wish message generator. We are getting errors or not? Maybe I have listed out as one error. Maybe it has listed out as what? One error. Come on. So I think you understood the problem, guys. Everyone ready to understand the problem? Okay, guys. Problem. What is the problem, guys? The Java compiler. Java compiler of main app dot Java file compilation unable to find okay the package com.nt dot basics the package basics and it's a class com.nt.basics dot and it's a class wish message generator because they are not part of JDK APIs and they are not even there in the current directory. What is that current directory right now, boss? E:/NIT. So the compile time error will be generated. So definitely compile time error will be generated or not, guys? Right. I think everyone understood the problem, guys. Everyone understood the problem. Rakesh, right now our current directory is main application current directory is NIT only. Please be alert. Don't be over smart. We got the error while compiling main application, not other one, right? So main application current directory is NIT only. Problem is not there while compiling this user-defined API classes. Problem is there when I'm trying to use those packages in our application. So now I have to solve the problem. Okay, how to solve the problem? What is class path? Where we use class path? Where we use path? All these things I will talk in tomorrow's class. Come on. Day to day your confidence is increasing. But let me say one thing. Still our advanced Java not started. The day I said today onward JDBC will be started, that is your actual advanced Java. That day onwards you start counting days. Advanced Java day 1, advanced Java day 2. How many days like this are? Another 1 or 2 sessions. After that definitely I will start advanced Java, don't worry. All these are very much needed because I am not a faculty. Okay, by introducing you learn in core Java. I don't say like this. I prepare background, then I will start using them as required for in advanced Java. I hope you are understanding. Okay, how to solve this problem with jar file, without jar files, everything will be discussed. Right. See guys, everyday classroom content I am sharing. Everyday classroom content I am sharing in the Facebook. Go to Facebook, download the file and read it. In future, applications also will be shared. Got it now, boss? Right. 1.1 Advanced Java, 4.15 Basics, this one. Yes. Problem is explained. So now I am going to explain the solution. That means Bahubali interval has come. Right. Listen, guys. Again, I am telling you have to attend classes regularly. Only initial classes videos will be there in the YouTube. After 6, 7 classes are over, don't expect we will give recorded classes. One day I will miss, give me recorded video, not going to work out. Is that clear? Okay, if you miss initial classes, starting 6, 7 videos are available with admin. Contact the admin, he will give the videos to you. I hope you are understanding my point. Yes. Okay, your batch code is this one, boss. 415. All the files that are there with 415 are your files. 415 files are your files. No need of 2 times one thing. 415. Okay, guys. 415. Yes, yesterday's questions will be discussed whenever I got a little 15 minutes to 20 minutes time, guys. I'll definitely explain those questions. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we have session. Saturday also we are having sessions. Thank you. Yes, if any queries are there, please. If any queries are there, please mail me. Or you can keep in the group. This is FB link. Those who joined today, please collect the FB link. This is the FB link. Right. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Course content is also there in this one only. One day I shared Advanced Java course content as a PDF. This is Advanced Java course content. On which day? April 7th I shared. April 7th I shared. Fine. You have to, after downloading, you have to open by using Paint. After downloading, you have to open Paint. So Natraj Java Arena at gmail.com.